Hi, in this video I am going to introduce you to the single line text tool and the move tool. These two tools will be useful when we start creating our first floor plan. Click over here on the text tool in the annotation category. Choose the single line text tool. The single line text tool creates a single line text objects where each line is an independent object which you can move, format and modify while you are within the text tool. Click in order to start writing. You need to now specify the start point. Now you can specify the height. Suppose I can give a height of 3. This stands for 3 inches. Press enter in order to execute the changes. You can now specify a rotation angle in case if you wish your text to be rotated. I will go with the default setting of 0. You can now begin typing your text. You could now go anywhere else on the drawing and click and start with a new set of rows of single line text. While you are within the text command. You can hold the Alt key down and you can click on any one of the text and start editing the text. Hold the Alt key down and double click on the text in order to edit the text. However, these commands of creating single text lines by clicking anywhere on the drawing and clicking and pressing Alt on the text in order to edit it are only available as long as you are within the text option. In order to come out of the text tool, you will press Escape. Now our texts are ready. The move tool can be used in order to change the position or relocate an object. The move tool is over here within the modify tools. Click on the move tool. The command line says select the object. So select the text object which you wish to move. Once you have selected the object, hit enter key in order to execute the changes. Now it says specify a base point or a point of displacement. So you can click anywhere in order to move it and relocate. So click here, move it, and you could move it and keep it anywhere else on the drawing as you wish to. We have now changed the position of the text living room. In order to repeat it for the bedroom, you can go back to the move tool, or you could simply type move on the keyboard and hit the enter key in order to start the move tool. The shortcut for the move tool is M, letter M. Click on the object, press enter, specify a point of displacement, and now we are going to relocate the text. Click in order to specify the new position and keep it there. Press escape in order to exit from the move tool. Thanks for watching.